शुरुआत देश की राजधानी दिल्ली में हो रही है और ऐसे अवसर पर माननीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी का शुभागमन इस मंच पर हो रहा है। करतल ध्वनि आप सबकी तरफ से ऊर्जा के साथ करतल ध्वनि की गूंज रुकनी नहीं चाहिए और आपका ये उद्घोष भी नहीं रुकना चाहिए। आप सभी अपने अपने स्थान पर ही खड़े होंगे क्योंकि कुछ ही पलों में राष्ट्रगान भी होगा, इसलिए आप सभी अपने अपने स्थान पर ही खड़े रहेंगे। यह अवसर ऐतिहासिक है दिल्ली की जनता के लिए, दिल्ली के लाखों करोड़ों परिवारों के लिए, लोगों के लिए आज एक स्वर्ण युग की शुरुआत इस देश की राजधानी दिल्ली में हो रही है देवी और सज्जनों। और इस अवसर पर जबकि शपथ ग्रहण समारोह आरंभ होने वाला है, इस देश के यशस्वी प्रधानमंत्री, विकसित भारत के शिल्पी।
He was talking to you for a long time. What did he say?
नीचे करो, ये नहीं थोड़ा. He was normally he cracks a joke whenever he sees me. So he was saying, "Are you planning to go to Himalayas or what?" I said, "छोड़ के." And I said, "Maybe the next extension of that. So still there's a lot of time to go to Himalayas. Now do your job." सब छोड़ के, and I said, "That's maybe the next little extension of that."
Sir, Naidu sir, please.
His leadership and BJP and NDA under the leadership of Modi ji could reach out to nook and corner of our nation, but finally I think capturing power here is a very significant thing and it's a very historic achievement. Thank you.
क्या संदेश है एनडीए की बैठक का?
It is more for to strengthening the future. It is all about how do we. It's not just about NDA strengthening. It is about strengthening the nation through NDA under the leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji. And it is Delhi's success is a very historical success, historical achievement after 27 years. And all the best to Modi ji and the Delhi government and Delhi Honorable Chief Minister. Congratulations to Rekha Gupta ji. It's a 27-year-old, rewriting the history again, recreating the history rather. It's a very beautiful victory. I feel under the Modi ji's leadership, in each and every state they could win, except in Delhi. I think that made a beautiful impact achieving this success is quite a sweet success for BJP and also for NDA, for all of us.
And so, what would you like to say about NDA? NDA is now much stronger.
I think it is a continuous hard work. It is not something, it's a luck or something. It is a continuous hard work of leadership of Modi ji and Amit ji and entire BJP cadre and whatever support we could get, NDA could give, other partners could give. I think it's a stupendous success. And it is a sheer outcome of the sheer hard work.
Sir, you took dip in Mahakumbh, but Mamata Banerjee is saying that this is not Mahakumbh, this is Mrityu Kumbh.
I feel it is not right to say that. When huge gatherings do come here in certain places, certain unfortunate incidents do happen which we don't wish for it. Even for a simple, even for a political rallies, some mishap happens. It is not that we wish for it. Instead of, I personally felt, instead of criticizing in this way, I think when they know, they could have extended their help. Like so crowds of people coming all over from each and every state of our country. Even from West Bengal, people were coming, and still they're going. So every state government has a responsibility. Instead of commenting, they could send their additional forces, or they could give their expertise how to, how to thwart such kind of incidents instead of commenting. That's what I
Thank you,
felt.
sir. Thank
We are going to see new change in Delhi, and also Delhi will be different Delhi from now onwards.
Sir, also the AAP party tenure now finished, and now the BJP tenure has been start. So, do you believe that the BJP tenure will go very smoothly?
Not only smoothly, extraordinary performance. Every citizen of this country will be proud of it.
What is your comment on Arvind Kejriwal?
I don't want to comment now. Today, I am telling you, only wealth has to be created, development has to take place, then welfare and empowerment we have to do automatically.
Excuse me, sir. 27 years, BJP got the Delhi seat. So, do you really excited? And from the woman, from the Rekha Gupta ji, she is a woman, and now she became the chief minister.
No, we are very happy. Now new era is started in Delhi. Excellent development is going to take place. For the last 10 years, it didn't work well in Delhi. Now it is a new era.
Thank you, sir.
शुरुआत देश की राजधानी दिल्ली में हो रही है, और ऐसे अवसर पर माननीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी का शुभागमन इस मंच पर हो रहा है। करतल ध्वनि आप सबकी तरफ से ऊर्जा के साथ। करतल ध्वनि की गूंज रुकनी नहीं चाहिए, और आप चाहिए उद्घोष भी नहीं रुकना चाहिए। आप सभी अपने अपने स्थान पर ही खड़े होंगे, क्योंकि कुछ ही पलों में राष्ट्रगान भी होगा, इसलिए आप सभी अपने अपने स्थान पर ही खड़े रहेंगे। यह अवसर ऐतिहासिक है दिल्ली की जनता के लिए, दिल्ली के लाखों करोड़ों परिवारों के लिए, लोगों के लिए। आज एक स्वर्ण युग की शुरुआत इस देश की राजधानी दिल्ली में हो रही है, देवी और सज्जनों। और इस अवसर पर जबकि शपथ ग्रहण समारोह आरंभ होने वाला है, इस देश के यशस्वी प्रधानमंत्री, विकसित भारत के शिल्पी